Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So it has been a while since I gave y'all my very first remote year apartment tour back in Lisbon. It's been 4 months since then. I've figured out a thing or two about how to live out of a suitcase, how to live remotely, and also how to more effectively showcase the apartments for people who both are just curious about what it's like to live in an apartment in Marrakesh, Morocco, as well as folks who are thinking about doing remote year and kind of want to see how the apartments are set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my digs in month 4. It's January. I'm in Marrakesh, Morocco. I'm staying in a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment. And I'm in the fancy part of town. I don't know what it's historically called, but it's the fancy part of town. It's surrounded by hotels and malls and some really nice areas. So let's actually start right in front of me. I'm in front of a gorgeous, gorgeous balcony. Let's step out here. Really sunny day. Every day here is basically sunny. And we have this wonderful, huge space. I'm right above I guess this is an apartment, but it kind of feels like it's a hotel too. I don't know. So yeah, right below me, I always see people hanging out and eating food. And usually I like to leave my apartment, sit on my balcony. Maybe I'm in shorts and a tank top, but because this culture is pretty conservative, you can't really do that out here. So I don't feel super comfortable being really casual out here, but it's a beautiful, beautiful balcony and I love it. All right, let's head back inside. Shut. All right, now we're in the living room space and it is a huge, huge living room, which is awesome. The TV, it's a flat screen as you can see, but it's not one of the newer models. So a lot of folks tend to bring a Chromecast or a Roku or something to set up with the TV, but this TV unfortunately is not new enough to support that, but I know other folks are in apartments that do have newer TVs. I really, really like this living room. It's perfect for if you want to throw parties and get a lot of people in this space. It's got chandelier, it's got gorgeous ornate ceilings. I think that's the thing about this culture in terms of how they do furniture and decor in general is the ornateness. Even things like the table have these really ornate elements to them. Yeah, it's just a really, really beautiful living room space. So I'm a big fan of it. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the bathrooms, or the 2 bathrooms. But first, here we are in our foyer area, which is also big and nice. It has a bunch of random decor in it as well that is just kind of thrown together in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the bathrooms. So we have 2 bathrooms right next to one another. This is the bigger one. And it has a full shower. It's got both a toilet and a bidet, which I don't think me nor my roommate have used yet. It doesn't feel like the tub has ever actually been cleaned. So that's one thing about the cleanliness level here in Marrakesh that surprised me a little bit, but got a nice little mirror. And then the second bathroom is right over here. It's smaller and it's just, I think a half bath because it doesn't have a shower. So it's just another great mirror and a toilet. And what's actually really, really great about having, anyone who's had roommates and a bath and a half knows it is so great that you don't have to worry about someone being in the bathroom to take a shower while you have to pee. It's so nice having that option. There are 2 bedrooms, like I said. This is the first bedroom. Not gonna go all up in there just because my roommate is not here, but it's a nice big size room. This is my room. I like it. Here it is. It's got some random art on the wall. A nice big old bed. I have my life together, y'all, because I was able to actually organize my bedroom before doing this video, unlike last time. So I'm just growing, y'all. I'm just growing and changing, getting better and better. It's a pretty, simple room. It's got a whole wall of closet space. Didn't come with any hangers, so that was fun. It came with one, and I hung up my one Moroccan top in here. I know y'all seen the photos. But otherwise, I'm just putting my stuff on the shelves, which is very doable. I don't have a lot of stuff anyway, right? Because we only have our suitcases, so it's not really a big deal. And then I actually have a really nice view outside of my bedroom, and I find myself actually pretty regularly opening my window and chilling and just relaxing here on this balcony, and I really, really like it. So I'm actually pretty pleased about that. So the only part about this apartment that I'm not a big fan of is the kitchen. The kitchen has just this dingy vibe to it. I don't know how to describe it. It just, it's not bad. I think it's because it doesn't get a lot of natural light. So it just has this kind of dingy feel to it. The cabinets open in a very strange way. Watch, you have to pull it forward. It's interesting. And then we have a laundry room right here that just has seen a lot of better days, and it just there's clearly just not a lot of love that was given to this space, but it does have a nice view out into the common area. Don't get real quiet because you know they don't like ladies raising their voice too much in this city, but it has a nice view of the common area, which is nice. So yeah, can't be mad at y'all, can't be mad at it. So there we go. That is how I've been living here in Marrakesh, Morocco. I really, really like this apartment. I think we're here did an awesome job. I know basically every place we've been, the apartments have been pretty different, minus I think Prague was the only city where every apartment kind of had the exact same layout. But here in Marrakesh, I think I lucked out and I got one of the good ones, you know, with decor and a huge living space and, you know, natural light and big windows and all that good stuff. So I'm not mad at it, y'all. I'm not mad at it. Go ahead and give me a like if you like the video, subscribe to see more, and I will see y'all in the next one.